Alright, good news has come out from OpenAI just last night. They said that deep research has come out, and it's great. It's actually answering in the way that my former lawyer does. The downside is that it takes a long time. It gives like a status bar when it's answering. But I asked it the standard question that I've been asking to 4.0 and 0.3, and it's finally getting the answer right, just like my lawyer has been telling me when I asked the standard question. This is how I ask it. Which way do I go to appeal my conviction in Natchitoches, Louisiana? The city court convicted me and sentenced me to 30 days in jail, and that's for the failure to ID. Do I file a writ with the appeals court, or can I file an appeal with the district court? This answer comes from 03, and they get it wrong. The conviction can be appealed with the district court, and my former lawyer says that that's wrong. I asked 4.0, and of course, with the same question, 4.0 gets it wrong as well, saying that I can go through district court. But last night I asked, appealing city court conviction. See, it should have a decipher so you know which 4.0 or 3 answered this, or 4.0 answered that. No, 3 answered this, 4.0 answered this, and then deep research. Deep research, this new little icon here, if that can be read, deep research can answer that. It's definitely better than search. Search doesn't take nearly as long, but it's really something amazing that it answers questions. Let's see, I'll go back. Let me start a new. Okay, I'm gonna click on the new, and get out of 03 mini. Okay, get out of 03 mini high. For some reason, I do deep research instead, and then answer my question. And it takes a long time. Oh no, wait! It has to ask me those questions. Let's see. Was your conviction for a misdemeanor? Are you looking to appeal? Have you already served any portion of the sentence? Yeah, okay, that's right. It asks me these first questions before it goes into its deep research. I'll just put yes for just the sake of hurrying this up. Yes. And then it should jump. Okay. Oh, there's no status bar? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. No, I just want to stop it. This is new, and there's no real stop button there. This could take like 20 minutes. Okay, wait, I can't. Can I stop it in the details? Uh-oh. Yeah, this is a bit new. All right. Well, let me go back to the answer. All right. So the answer, which is correct, it has to take into the factor the thing that's like throws kind of a wrench. All other cases, this was a thing I can't really, all other case, Article 912.1c gives the defendant in all other cases the right to judicial review by filing a writ application in the Court of Appeal. See, that's the thing that takes deep research to point out that the other quicker to answer models do not take into account. It takes a long time, almost like the amount of time a lawyer takes to answer the question. But the thing is, you got to kind of know. You have to know how to ask the questions for it to get the right answer. It is an important question to ask, and I would want to get a quick answer from 4-0 or 3, and they would tell me go through the district court, and since it could take like 20 minutes to get an answer from the deep research, do I have the patience? And I can actually, it appears that I can actually step away. Like I gave that last question, and it's giving me a status symbol that it's actually doing, it's still trying to answer. I wish I could stop it. It really doesn't need to continue. Maybe I can delete? Yeah, I could just delete it. Are you sure you want to delete this chat? Delete. Okay. Yeah, then I could just go up in the upper right hand corner and delete that. That's not, I guess, not easy. All right, so the last one is going to be, okay, so I've stopped it by deleting it. I don't want it to do another search, but it took 20 minutes last time, and it's pretty impressive. I'm happy with that. It's just and I think it will continue to search. Like it did continue to search when I left the app. It took 20 minutes. I didn't sit on the app the whole time. I could maybe even turn off if I wanted to walk away, turn off the tablet and just let it work offline in a way, and then I could come back later and have the answer. So these are the types of questions you can ask, and just kind of step away and give it the time it needs to answer it, and give the right answer. It's actually giving the right answer that my former lawyer in Louisiana gave, that the other models were not answering. So it needs more time. The AI needs more time to make the important answers. So now it brings it down to, like, what kind of questions can I ask for legal stuff to get the right answer. Pretty much I want to have the AI answer everything, and it's just a matter of how much time do I want to give it. Some things don't really need as much time to answer, and also let me just say that in 3.0 it says I am not a lawyer. It gives that warning, but in this, okay, let's see, I can look up proper procedure for appealing conviction or filing a writ with the city. It doesn't say I'm not a lawyer. Okay, it's like, okay, it'll get down into the nitty gritty. Let's see. It gives a very confident answer, so confident, unlike 3 or 4.0. It's so confident that it doesn't even need to tell me that it's not a lawyer. 4.0 doesn't give me the warning that it's not a lawyer, but that's, it's just a creative it's just a creative avenue. But no, three will tell me it's not a lawyer. 4-0 won't tell me it's a lawyer. Deep research, we'll just get right into it and just won't talk about lawyer stuff. It'll just give me an answer that's really good. So really detailed information and the right information. And because of that discussion I had with my former lawyer and how he explained things, and you got to look between like 3 different laws back and forth and compare what they say to each other. This deep research is actually doing it now, and I'm getting the right answers, and I'm feeling confident about getting. I'm feeling more confident about the answers now.